Hi everyone, I'm Leslie Voorhees-Means. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Anomalie.
Hi guys! Alright, it looks like we're live.
Hi guys, my name is Joselle and I'm here to talk about what our stylist team does for our Anomalie brides.
Today we're going to be talking about our different colored options as well as beading, so let's get to it.
Next we're gonna sneak up on Lacey. Lacey, what are you working on?
Today I am going to take you with me on my alterations journey.
We are going to look at some dresses with some delicate details, so stay tuned.
This is my favorite part of the dress actually. It's a really beautiful off-the-shoulder cape.
So we thought it would be really fun to create the most popular dress based on brides' choices.
So we're going to talk about neckline, silhouette, lace preferences, any sort of embellishments, basically the dress from head to toe.
And here we are with another fun one with black lace and black beading and the skinny straps once again. I'm telling you, it's a trend, it's a thing, we're here for it.
This dress is one of my favorites. It's super beautiful with this really ornate detailed lace that has been hand beaded.
This one is absolutely beautiful. It's our orchid stack up, so it has like a really nice purpley hue.
This one has a little bit of a deeper sweetheart neckline, which is so pretty with these delicate sleeves.
Then we have this amazing detailed dress with lace and beading.
Thanks for tuning in and check back next week to find out some exciting new colors that we're going to be adding to our collection.
DM us questions if you have any, and we're super excited to get started on your dress.
It's been a pleasure, and we will talk to you guys soon.